two shapes. This is shape 1 and this is shape 2. Finger 1 starts on fret 2, so that's fret 2, shape 1, and that'll be fret 3, shape 2, fret 5, shape 2. Shape 1, shape 2, shape 2, shape 2, shape 1. And that's frets 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. And all you're doing in your right hand is picking this, or strumming. I'm going to call that section 1. Then you come up here to 7th fret and you do exactly the same thing, but just start on 7th fret. 7, 8, 10, 8, 7. That'll sound like this. Together. Then one more time on section 1. And you slide this one back here. And then you play fret 2, string 2. So you go 2, 3, 5. One more time. So that's 3 sections. Putting it all together, it sounds like this.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and